Good afternoon. Happy Easter. A while back I did a video on my get home bags and a couple of videos on get home bags actually, and I augmented that bag, the actual backpack, with a Maxpedition Proteus fanny pack. That has served me well for years. But I needed an upgrade, so I got this. This is a Hill People Gear Recon Large. This is a great chest rig. So you wear it a little different than a fanny pack, of course. And the reason for this was it was very hard to carry my everyday carry pistol when I was wearing a backpack. It dug in. I found out when I was actually hiking that the hip belt dug the pistol into my side, and it was just a bad situation. So I opted for one of these. So this is a very high quality pack. I saw some from Amazon that were less expensive, and I grabbed one of those real quick. Not anywhere near the quality. This is worth every dime. Can't remember what I paid for it, but I'll put a link in the description to where I got it. I actually bought this from Hill People. So when you first open it up, one of the really nice features is this. When you open the outer pouch, you can see it actually just makes a shelf. You can actually just put your hand under here and write, things like that. In this one, I have a compass. I have some of my maps for areas that I'm going to be in. My sunglasses. There's some snacks. Spare magazine. Rate and rain. Pen, pencil. Just your basic stuff that you're going to carry with you that don't necessarily fit in your pack. Dual zippers. Now, this has also a back pocket. That's in addition to the main pocket. And in this, I carry my pistol. This is unloaded, as you can see. So, but, you know, you might say, that's going to be inconvenient. That's not going to work. How am I going to get my pistol out? Well, right here, it has dual zippers. So as long as you keep it just a little bit, the top zipper a little bit over the top, then you see this kind of curls down. And then, of course, the down. It's that simple. Now, that's not as fast as drawing from a holster, but it's not bad. Just like that. So, hopefully I won't need the pistol today, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this zipped all the way up. It's a beautiful day out here today. I can't remember an Easter that was this nice. But I'm at Fiery Fork. I do a lot of videos here at Fiery Fork. I like it. I love it. I'm going to show you the river. It's just beautiful here. And you never know what you're going to find after a rain or after a flood. The river comes up. You never know what you're going to find out here. You can find Indian arrowheads and things of that nature, tools. And my daughters are out here right now looking for different kinds of rocks, and then they're policing up garbage. They always do that. A lot of the tourists come down here, and they come down for a weekend, and then when they leave, they've left so much garbage out here. That's kind of terrible, actually. But my daughters are kind of environmentally sound, and they pick everything up. And we usually haul a couple of garbage bags out of here or Lake of the Ozarks or wherever we're going to be that weekend. So If you like this content, you like this video, I hope you like and subscribe. So I think that's going to be about it for now. See you next week.